Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get test Ethereum on MetaMask. First, ensure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed and your wallet set up. Test networks are crucial for developers and users to experiment with decentralized applications without spending actual money. They provide a safe environment to learn and test functionalities before deploying to the main network. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to acquire test Ether. Next, open your MetaMask wallet and locate the network selection dropdown, usually at the top. From the list, select a test network such as Sepolia or Holski. If you do not see these options, navigate to your MetaMask settings, then to Advanced, and toggle on Show Test Networks. This action will reveal all available testnets, allowing you to connect to the desired environment for testing. Now, to get test Ether, you will need to use a testnet faucet. Search online for a reputable faucet specific to your chosen network, like the Sepolia faucet. Once on the faucet website, copy your MetaMask wallet address by clicking on it in the extension. Paste this address into the designated field on the faucet page and follow the instructions to request your test Ether. Some faucets may require a simple CAPTCHA. After requesting from the faucet, return to your MetaMask wallet. You should see your test Ether balance updated, typically within a few moments, depending on network congestion. This test Ether is now available for you to interact with decentralized applications on the selected test network. You can send transactions, deploy smart contracts, or test any functionality without using real funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.